from the International Bridge. It's an HDMI.
Is it for me?
It might be, Mr. Hughes, but it's encased in this foam here.
You broke the scissors.
No, it's okay. They come apart.
Is
Okay,
it mine?
there it is.
Now
Let's open it up.
Is it mine?
It is, and we're actually going to go give it a test here in a second. So you got power, HDMI out on that side, VGA in on this side, plus an audio cable and a USB cable for the power. Let's go give it a shot. Okay, I've got the device plugged in. Now this laptop actually has a broken screen and it only has VGA output. So I plugged the device in, there's the power, there's the device, it's all lit up. The HDMI cable, which is not included, goes to the TV, and there's an Ubuntu. As you can see, the display just needs a little adjustment, but it's working perfectly. It actually looks really clear. I don't know how it looks on the camera, but it looks really good here. And this is just a small LED TV. And one thing to note though, this audio cable, which I didn't have any intention of using anyway, it's actually a little short. The audio for this laptop is actually on the far side, and as you can see, it doesn't actually reach there. So if I wanted to use it, I'd have to get a little extension for that. But other than that, it works perfectly. I'm happy.